Hey guys, this is Caleb at TEKTON. Today I want to talk to you about our stacking organization system. Now, our stacking organization system is based on the L-BOXX platform that you may be familiar with from companies such as Bosch or Sortimo. As you can see behind me, these products are compatible with our system and vice versa. Now, here is an example of a configuration that you could make out of our organization system. It's highly customizable. Any of these components can be put in any sort of arrangement. So I'll just run you through some of the components. On top here, we've got our stacking toolbox, also called the L-BOXX 2. Now in here is a full 1/4 inch drive and 3/8 inch drive socket set in custom cut foam that we make here at TEKTON. It's laser marked with all your socket placements and drive tools. It is a high contrast red foam, so you can easily see when a tool is missing out of here. Up top here, we've got your shallow sockets and your drive tools. And in this second layer of foam down here, you've got all your deep sockets. And that's 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive. Now these toolboxes are primarily made of ABS plastic. That's a rigid, hard plastic that's highly chemical resistant, abrasion resistant, and durable. Now I'll show you the latching mechanism next. So to disconnect these items, you squeeze these side handles here and lift the toolbox up. And then to reconnect, you simply drop the toolbox down onto the next component and it's latched in together as a unit. Now you might be worried about these being plastic. So this is about a 22-pound socket set here. And if you were to drop it from a normal working height, it's completely fine. I mean, it'll survive any sort of drop or bump that you might put this through on a daily basis. This is another example of our stacking toolbox. You can also get this with a foam insert that you can custom cut yourself to fit any sort of tool. It has these nice lines and markings so you can cut out any pattern you need. It's also multi-layered. And this is an example of a impact driver, a battery, whatever have you. You can cut it out to fit what the tools that you need to fit in there. You can also get our stacking toolbox with a 4-compartment tray like this. This is great for small parts, small tools, anything like that. You can also get it with nothing in it, so you can do whatever you want with it, which is kind of nice. Next, I'll show you some of these drawers down here. These are the rack and drawer system. You can add many of these together if you want. We offer these in custom cut foam as well, similar to that socket set I just showed you. These are our USA made drivers. And this drawer, when you pull it out, it stops here, but you can also lift it and completely remove it from the system to be able to carry it to wherever you're working. And again, these are custom cut, laser marked, and fit our tools very well. I'll also mention that these drawers have a stop on them, so they don't come flying out if you're wheeling this around your workbench or your workshop, your garage, what have you. You have to slightly lift the drawers to be able to remove them. This is an example of our pliers drawer. And down here you've got a hammer, pry bar, punches and chisels drawer. The rolling cart you see here has a 220-pound capacity. So you can stack multiple items on top of it like we show here. It's got 4 swiveling casters. Can easily be moved around your workshop, easily be rotated around. 2 of the casters have locks on them to keep this in place when you need it to not move on you. Now, if you need a deeper storage solution than this toolbox offers, we also have our deep stacking open tote here. Very large open tote, nice carrying handle to carry it around with. This is great for large tools, larger parts, stuff like that. Fully compatible with our system, so you can click it into your stack and roll it around as a unit, however you need to. The drawers also come in a configuration like this. You can stack them up and use them on a bench top. You could use these on your van, your truck, your service vehicle, what have you. On top here, we've got our lidded drawer, which is great for hardware. It comes with a lid that snaps closed. This can be pulled out and carried around or to your job site wherever you need to. Secure hardware storage. Your parts won't move around in there. We also offer the drawers with a 7-compartment tray, as well as a 4-compartment tray. And these trays are removable, and they're compatible with lidded drawers and open top drawers, such as the one I'm showing here. You can also just get the drawers by themselves with no storage compartments in them as well. As you can see, this system is highly configurable. To build your own system or shop our pre-configured systems, visit tekton.com. Thanks for watching.